everyone, welcome and welcome back to the channel. As you know, we've been exploring various pathways to help you, my lovely audience, to achieve your dream of living and working abroad. Why Sweden has been our primary focus, today we are turning our attention to another fantastic opportunity, and that is Lithuania's booming tech industry and its fast track visa options for 2025. Now, if you are a tech professional looking for new opportunities, Lithuania might just be the place for you. So let's dive into what this means and how you can take advantage of it. Lithuania has emerged as a vibrant and a big tech hub with about 12% growth in the tech industry in the last year, and 230 fintech companies, including giants like Revolut, TransferGo, and the country is booming with opportunities for tech professionals. Guys, Lithuania's strategic location offers it easy access to other European markets, making it ideal for people or for tech enthusiasts to base in, right? Now, there are some in-demand tech roles in 2025. Lithuania is actively seeking skilled professionals in various tech roles or tech domains. Some of those most in-demand roles include the software developers, the cybersecurity specialists. For the software developers, especially if you are in mobile app development and if you are in fintech solution, then Lithuania is looking for you. Or are you a cybersecurity specialist? These people, they need people to safeguard the sensitive data in their booming fintech sector, right? Lithuania is looking for you. Are you a cloud engineer with expert in AWS and Google Cloud? Lithuania is looking for you. Or you have experience in AI, in machine learning, you need to drive innovation across industry. Lithuania is looking for you. Or are you a data analyst? You can interpret complex data sets to make informed decisions for businesses. Then Lithuania is looking for you. Guys, these roles, they not only offer competitive salaries, no, they also give you a great pathways to the European tech scene. Now, Lithuania offers several visa options tailored for tech individual. One of that visa option is the EU Blue Card. I'm sure most of you have heard about the EU Blue Card. This visa pathway is designed to help you who are highly skilled workers to have like a visa, or offers a benefit like for you to reunify with your family, right? The EU mobility and pathway to permanent residency. That's what this EU blue card is for. They also have another visa pathway that they call the national D visa. This is like a short-term visa allowing quick entry for temporary visit or for temporary work or temporary assignment. Do you understand? The next visa that they have is, they call it the startup visa. This is for people that are entrepreneurs, like they're looking to establish like a business, especially tech business in Lithuania. Now, for each of these visas, there's of course specific requirements and benefits for each of these visas. Different professions, different visas requirements. Now, for you to apply for Lithuania's visa option, there are some steps or some things you need to put in place before you can make your application. And one of such thing is for you to secure the job first. Very, very important. You want to ensure that you have confirmed an offer from a company or from an employer in Lithuania before you make an application. Another thing you need to do is to gather your documents. Like, we have your passport, your qualification, that is your proof of qualification that you are qualified for the job, your employment contract, and your health insurance. These are important before you can make an application to this visa pathway. Depending on the visa that you are applying for, when submitting, you can submit either online or through the Lithuania embassy, right? Now, when you've made your application, the next thing is for you to wait. You wait for the decision. Processing time takes normally for the national D visa, processing time takes about 15 days. Why the EU blue card, it takes about 90 days. Remember that the accuracy and how complete your document is what is going to determine if your visa is going to come out early or is going to delay. So it's important to make sure that everything you need is in place before you progress to make an application. So now, if you are wondering what you can earn as a being employed in the tech roles in Lithuania, for you who are going to be working as cybersecurity professionals or specialists, you should be earning at least 46,000 euros to 125,000 euros per year. For you that are cloud engineers, you should be earning between 40,000 euros to 70,000 euros per year. Now, why the cost of living in Lithuania is lower than many European countries, Lithuania still offers a high quality of life. In fact, almost all the countries in EU, they offer you a high quality of life. I mean, compared to where we are coming from, right? So making it this makes it very, very attractive for professionals to like move into here and settle into here. So now, if you are thinking about what it feels like to live in Lithuania, Lithuania is very welcoming. They have beautiful culture, they are welcoming, the cities are really nice, and they offer a blend of history, and just like every other European country, they have history attached to it, right? So the country is welcoming, cost of living is relatively okay, and accommodation to cost of accommodation is relatively okay. So now, beyond the employment or beyond your job or your profession, Lithuania offers you opportunities to grow in your career growth. So they have networking events. They usually have these regular tech meetups and conferences. They have professional development. They have access to workshop and training programs to help you who are in this field to like advance, right? There's something they call the EU mobility. When you're working in Lithuania, it can open doors for you to have opportunities to go to other European countries to also learn from them. Now, in order for you to ensure that your move is smooth, of course, language is number one. In as much as Lithuania speaks English, English is widely spoken in Lithuania. Understanding the local language can enhance your experience. Understanding their local customs can enhance also your experience. So you want to familiarize yourself with the Lithuanian culture, the workplace, their etiquette, and stuff like that, right? It's also important that you stay informed regularly. Like I told you, when it comes to EU, laws changes. The laws keep changing and changing and changing. So you need to keep yourself abreast with what is changing so that you will know the one that will affect you and the one that will not affect you. So it's important to like stick to the immigration website, stick to the immigration news, know what is happening. Do you get? So that is one thing that will make you to have like a successful move to Lithuania. Now, I'm going to attach some links or website that is official that will be useful for you when it comes to making an application for this visa pathway. In the link, I'm going to share Lithuania's immigration portal where you can make your application, where you can search for jobs in Lithuania, and the digital nomad community in Lithuania. This platform will give you comprehensive guidance and support you for prospective immigration, right? So it's important that you check them out. I'll drop them in the description of this video. So guys, Lithuania in 2025 presents a golden opportunity for my tech bros and my tech Cs. If you are looking to advance your career in Europe with this booming tech industry in Lithuania, their fast track visa option, their high quality of life, the destination is worth considering. I mean, guys, even if you just need to like take a look at the links I'm going to drop in this video, explore it, check if you fit into these visa pathways. And if you do, by all means, please proceed to make an application. Even if you are not able to make it this year, use the rest of the year to make your preparation. Then by next year, you should be able to apply for this visa. So guys, that's it for today's video. Short, easy, and simple. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share, comment, do all the nice stuff to this video, and let me know in the comment section. Are you a tech bro? Are you a tech sis? Would you be exploring this visa option? And let me know in the comment section. I would like to hear from you guys. If you need any help, if you need any assistance, if you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I am here to help. Whatever information I have, I'm going to pass it to you. Whatever information that I feel will be useful or needed for you, I'm definitely going to pass it to you, right? So, guys, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more insights into European global migration pathways. Thank you for watching. Bye.